Hey guys, this is Bohobo J back in with another video. Today we're going to be doing a video of restoring or cleaning a 100 or 200-year-old rocking chair. So let's get started, guys. Yep, let's get started. I see you when we're outside grabbing the dolly, so let's get started, guys. So see you then. We're outside going into the shed now. I am to grab this dolly. Let me show you what this dolly looks like. So let me flip the camera around. So let's get started, guys. So this is the shed. It is. We gotta get this dolly right here. This is what we're gonna be using to bring over there. We are. So let's get started, guys.
Okay.
Alright, Addison. Want to have the camera?
No.
Alright, so I'm gonna get this dolly out. And when I get it out, I'll turn the camera back on. When I put your hand over the camera. Here goes Ghost, guys. Ghosty. So I'm gonna grab this. So I'll see you guys then. Get the dolly out. I think this dolly can hold a couple thousand pounds, but we're only grabbing that chair. But the strap doesn't work on there. It had been broke, it did. So when we're ready to leave, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. So see you guys when we're ready to head out. This dolly here doesn't work, so we're just gonna use the ones on the job site when I get there. But we're gonna put this back and we're gonna get walking. We are. So let's get started, guys. See you guys when we get there. Or when we get walking, so see you guys then. Leaving now, we are. So I'll see you when we get halfway there. So see you guys then. About halfway there we are, guys. Wanna wave to the camera? No. Alright guys, see you guys when we get there. So see you guys then, guys. Alright guys, we are here. We are. See you when we're at the door getting the chair. So see you guys when we're getting the chair. So see you guys then. Alright guys, we are here getting the dolly. We are. Which one should we use? This one, you think? Alright, so we're just gonna grab this, load this up to right here. So, hey.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, you're good.
Hello.
What's that, man? Want to put your hand over the camera? Just gonna go down here and grab this rocking chair. We are. Addison, I guess we could just lay it on that pad right there, right? Alright. I guess we could just lay it on here so it doesn't scrape against it. So I'm gonna go down here and grab it, guys. So I'll see you when we get down here. Guys, going in. Turn this light on. Come on. Gotta hold the door open. Wish I had something to hold the door open with. And here goes the chair, guys. Look at that chair right there. Look how nice it is. This is the chair. We're just gonna wipe this chair down, get it clean really good. Ooh, there's spider webs all over it. Excuse me. This is a real nice chair. Probably been sitting there for about, what would you say, about 20 years? Something like that, been sitting. So we're gonna get this chair out, guys, through this door right here. I'm just gonna carry it out and stuff, so. Oh, this is a beautiful, beautiful rocking chair it is. Beautiful rocking chair. And I like these doors right here too. These old push doors for your cabinet. Alright. My angles. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna carry this up there and put it inside that dolly. So let's get started, guys. See you guys then. Wanna put your hand over the camera? Guys, we got the chair to here. It looks like it's gonna fit out the door. So I'll see you once we're out the door and going up the steps. So let's get started, guys. Wanna put your hand over the camera? Alright guys. We got it out the second door. It looks like it fits. I'm so happy. We're gonna take it up there. We do. Up one flight of steps. Guys, we're gonna be taking that chair up the steps. So let's see, can we do it? Alright guys, we did it. Alright guys, we did it guys. We got it up those steps. So, we're just gonna get this home now. So, see you when we're leaving the parking lot. Wanna put your hand over the camera? We did it, high five. Hey, put your hand over the camera. Everything's doing good, it is. All we gotta do is make it up that hill over there. And then we should be good. Wanna put your hand over the camera? Guys, we just made it out of there. We're gonna be just cleaning this off. We're not gonna be restoring it. We're gonna be just cleaning it off, we are. So, see you guys when we get this home, when we get it to the catwalk. So, let's get started. Alright guys, we're almost to the catwalk. We are. There goes Addison. So I'm just gonna get off here, put the camera down, and when we're to the catwalk going down it, when we get halfway I'll film again. So let's get started guys. Hey guys, we are at the catwalk now. We are. So let's get started. Should we film when we get home or when we get down all the way down the catwalk? Wanna put your hand over the camera? The other side. We made it up that hill. We did. Wanna say hi, Addison? Where are you? There you are. So we got the rocking chair. It's doing good, it is. I'll see you when we get home. So see you guys then. So peace out. Alright guys, we made it back. We did rocking chair. Addison! You forgot to put your hand over the camera. Like this is kind of stuck on it. Alright guys, so see you guys when we're getting ready to restore this. You guys, we're back at the house. We're gonna be cleaning this chair up today. We are, so there goes Ghosty. So see you guys when we're cleaning the chair up. I'm getting my granddaddy's glasses because he's looking at the name on it. So I'll see you when we grab the glasses. Let's get started guys. Well, my granddad found a name on the chair, he did. There goes the name on it right there. It says something right there.
Yeah. That's the thing we do it. Oh, we got a screw here too.
Yeah, there's one right here.
There's one on all level 4 of them.
It's like they took it apart before.
No, they probably came getting loose and they just took them there and tightened it up.
Yeah, I'll see you when I'm cleaning it up. So see you guys then. Guys, I guess I'm gonna blow the chair off. I am, get all the big dust off of it, and I'm gonna see what I have to wipe it down and stuff and make it look shiny and nice and with all that dust off of it. So let's get started and I'll show you what it looks like with all that big stuff blowed off of it. So let's get started guys. I got all that big dust blown off of it. There's still more on here though. Alright. Alright guys, let me get off here and get to step 2. I am. Wanna say hi to the camera? Wanna put your hand over the camera? Just put your hand over it. All that I was doing guys was taking the blower and blowing it off. And blowing all that big dust off so when I take the rag over it, no dust or stuff like that scratches it. Alright guys, I'm switching the operation to the backyard, so let me push this over there, then we'll get started in cleaning it. So let's get started guys. So see you guys then. Hey guys, this is Boho J. Just came in here for a little smoke break I did, but I'm gonna be posting, be looking out for a weed store video and a fishing video. So I'm really excited about doing a fishing video. Cause every time I cast my pole in the water, I catch something big. So I'm gonna get off here, get back to that chair, guys. So peace out, guys. See you guys when we're working on that chair. So see you guys then. Alright guys, all I'm gonna be doing is taking a wet rag and just wiping it down just like that, guys. Just wiping it down until I see no dust. So I'm gonna do this whole front side right here. And once I do this whole front side, I'll turn the camera back on. So let's get started, guys. So see you guys when it's finished. Alright guys, I got the whole front of it cleaned, I did. And I got the sides of it clean. I did. All I gotta do is clean all underneath, get all that dust off. And then I gotta do the back of the chair. So I'm gonna get started on that, guys. Once I get that whole bottom cleaned, I'll start filming again. So let's get started, guys. See you guys when we're finished with the bottom of it. So see you guys then. We're finished with the chair. I was gonna clean that back plate where the maker's mark is. All of the dust is off of it. Looks real nice, it does. Alright guys, I'll see you guys when I'm gonna flip this chair over, clean the back plates. I'm gonna show you guys that because that's the last part we cleaned. So see you guys when we do that. So see you guys then. This is what we're gonna be cleaning, guys. This is the back plate of it. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be taking this rag going up and down. Just simple cleaning, you know. So I'm gonna get this cleaned, and when I'm finished, I'll show you guys. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, we are done with the chair. The chair's fully done. I'm gonna show some pre-rolls of the chair I am. So I'm gonna take a whole bunch of pictures and show you guys what the chair looks like from a few angles. So let's get started in doing that, guys. So let's get started. See you guys then. Guys, here goes the chair. It's all finished. I did that back plate of it. I did everything. This is a nice clean chair it is. This chair could have been made, I'm gonna be honest with you, this chair could have been made in the 80s, or it could have been made 100 years ago or 200 years ago, if that makes sense. So you guys let me know in the comments if you know how old this chair is. I just have an idea of how old it is. So I'm going to show you guys some pictures of the chair from a few angles. So I'm going to show you guys now. So here they are. Guys, we are finished with the chair. I'm proud of myself, I am. I'm going to put it in my room, show you what it looks like where that one chair is. I'm going to switch the chairs out. So, hey Addison. We're finished with the chair. Are you happy? Alright, I'm gonna show them putting the chair in my room. I am where that one chair is that's in there. So see you guys when I got the chair in there. You wanna put your hand over the camera? Alright, see you guys then, guys. Guys, I had to do something I did. I'm gonna put that chair inside my room now and show you what it looks like. So let's get started, guys. I'll turn on the camera once I'm there. So see you guys then. Alright guys, that's the chair it is. It looks real nice. And there goes Ghosty, guys. He's doing good. Oh. Well, that's me restoring a 100-year-old chair, guys. So, that's about it, guys. It's real nice. It rocks real nice, it does. Well, this is Boho Bo J, guys, and I guess this is peace out, guys, and see you guys next time. Love you guys, and peace out, guys. Peace out.